Hi, this is Easy Take Tampa Bay, and I'm gonna show you what I've got from Kreg this time. I got a macro pocket drill guide, and I was getting it for doing some project on it, so I'll try to unbox it so you can see what comes in this box. And I bought this, I believe I bought it from eBay. So I tried to open the box without any damage, or so what I did, I used my craftsman tools, which is I use it a lot, so I just try to get them as much as possible so I don't mess up the packaging that much on this one, because it's basically it's sealed. So what I did, I just use this one, try to open it from this area, I keep going around till I get it completely open like this, which is, it's one of the benefits when you have some compact and you can tools and you will be able to use it. So I just did that one. So let's see what's in the package. It comes with the some cards, which is, it tells you can go to Kreg's tools and look for their stuff you want to get. So I'm just going to put this away. Next thing comes up, it's going to be setting some sort of manual, how it works and how do you do stuff. There you go. So this is the manual and what comes inside it. This one, it's English too. So what comes in the box? It comes with the micro jig guide. It comes with the drill bit, stop collar, hex, and it gives you some extra screw. So I'm gonna put that one on the side also. Let's see what's in there. This is the packaging, and it comes with what's inside of it. It's going to be the drill bit, which is, let's see, that's it. There you go. It's an actual tool, comes with it also. What I'm gonna do is, like, after this I'm gonna start using it. I'm gonna put another video and review on it, see how do I like it and other good stuff. And that's the hex key and stop collar, and different size of screws also for to use on that jig one. That was it. So that's all. It gives you like a starting kit, so those are what you need to do, and basically that comes all in the package. So this way I'm going to try it, see how it works, and then I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. But I've seen some video on it and I was excited to buying this. Alright, thanks for watching. Till next video.